important event to track back home as well. The RBI Monetary Policy Committee meeting is underway and we will get the outcome tomorrow at 10 a.m. But let me throw it across to Gaurav, who's joining us to talk to us about the key expectations this time around. Gaurav, I believe consensus is no rate action, but what other things to watch out for?
Well, yes, Monetary Policy Committee's meeting will conclude soon, and if we talk about consensus now, they are not expecting any kind of rate cut or any kind of change in stance, at least in this meeting from RBI. Now, we already know that RBI has kept the rate unchanged at 6.5% since February 2023, and if they keep the rates unchanged in this meeting as well, this will be a 9th consecutive bi-monthly meeting where we will see the RBI keeping rates unchanged. Apart from that, what experts believe is that if we talk about the overall growth, we do not see any kind of risk to the growth because we already know that in Q4, we have already outpaced the growth at 7.8%. RBI has also actually increased their growth target for FY25 to 7.2%. So there is no concerns around the growth, but the concerns around inflation still remains. So we know that the core inflation is at all-time low levels, multi-period low levels. But when we talk about food inflation now, that is inching up and that is not actually easing up, and that is why consensus see no rate cuts, at least in this meeting. Apart from that, what experts believe is that inflation remains at 5.1%. We may see some easing of inflation because of the base effect, but other than that, in Q2 the food inflation risk still remains, and apart from that, any kind of geopolitical risk and any kind of muted consumption also remains as a key risk, but definitely watching out on how the commentary comes up from RBI from this meeting.
Thanks very much for that, Gaurav.